In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to hover over the Create button top left, and you want to go to Vendors and click on Add Vendor at the bottom. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to take you over here to Expenses and Bills and then Vendors. And as you can see, automatically you can start by creating a vendor, okay? If that doesn't pop up automatically, you'll basically be on this page over here where you want to click on New Vendor up top right, and that's going to open the same page. Then you have to put in the company name, you have to basically type in the vendor display name, and then you have like all the different things, titles, first names, etc. So just fill all of this in, of course the info you have, and then the address, stuff like this as well. Then I'm not gonna bore you with this right now, just go ahead and scroll and basically put in all the information. Now of course take your time and then click on save whenever you're ready, and that way you've added a new vendor in QuickBooks Online. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.